What is today? Do you know?
Wednesday.
February, March. It's March now, right?
Yeah,
March
2nd.
No?
3rd?
3rd. Yep.
All right,
March the 3rd. We're, you guys, I haven't given you all a proper walk around on this van. It's a pretty epic van. I'm gonna insert some stuff, maybe insert some stuff in here from where I bought the thing. So I was trying to find an epic spot to kind of fly the drone around and maybe just be in the woods for a minute. We're in the woods. Don't know where we are.
We were driving in western Colorado, and we passed this van that was for sale, and so we turned around and went back and looked at it, and didn't think too much about it. And then when Rob got home, he called the fella. And he said, yes, it was for sale and that it was $8,000. And so he made arrangements with the man to meet with him at a certain date. And he got a ride, somebody that he knew was going out west. And he got a ride out there, and he met with the man. The man wouldn't come down. He said no, he wanted the $8,000. That's what he thought he should have. And so he bought it, and it turned out to be a very excellent vehicle. It's everything the man said, and he drove it on back. And we've traveled in it quite a bit. And he slept in it, and it seemed to be above average condition.
Well,
and we've got a lot of enjoyment out of it so far.
It's a 94.
It's a 94
Yeah.
Ford.
Right.
Ford.
Well, it's so
van.
Yeah, it's an E. So this is an E series van.
An E what?
Well, it's an E, what they call an E series van.
An E series van.
Yeah. E stands for Econoline.
Okay.
So they make an E, just like an F, 150, 250, and a 350.
350.
So this is a 250. This is an E250. I'm pretty sure it's 19 feet. From everything that I've learned about it so far, which is not much, honestly, I just admire it the way it is and don't really get into the but this company, Honor Built Industries, they are in the Southwest. I want to say either New Mexico or Arizona, one of the two, and that's what they do. They're kind of like a just an outfit. I don't even think they're in business anymore, but that's what they do, is they buy these vans and they put the top on here. Now most people, oh wait, here it is. It's actually in Kansas. I'm sorry, it's in Kansas. There it is, Minneapolis, Kansas. Most people know these vans as a B190, which I think they're actually on a 350 chassis instead of a 250. which is what this is, a 250. But the thing is in great shape. It's actually kind of quite dirty right now, but truthfully, like, really cleans up very nice. You know, it's a 94. It's not perfect. There's some random stuff that's, you know, obviously not perfect, but very neat. I try to keep everything covered with the dogs, and that's why there's all this stuff on the floor and on the beds and all. But if I tell you that it's in, you know, well above average shape, trust me when I say it is. That's, I don't want to keep it that way. But we've got all of our amenities here, you guys. I mean, generally, I don't think you see these with a toilet. I mean, we got a toilet, for Christ's sake. Honestly, this is emergency use only. We also have a shower, which I'm assuming the idea is you sit here. This would be your, you know, sit there. We got random storage, you see. Storage here. This is actually pretty good size, and you can hang clothes up in there. We've got a heater, which is really nice. It's in here. More storage. More storage. So the thing about the microwave, it does not work unless you're plugged in. There is no generator on this thing. Storage. You come around, you got this bed here. So this pulls back to approximately here, and the mattress flips over, and there's plenty of room to sleep up there. Obviously Grenade is not going to be able to get up there and sleep. There is a little small ladder, but truthfully I don't need it to get up there. It's compact, but it's pretty neat little deal. He was actually off, God bless him. It was $7,000. Now it has an air conditioning too, which, you know, all this stuff is supposed to work. I mean, there's a huge holding water tank underneath this seat here. This seat actually, this is my least favorite part about it besides the gas mileage. This thing actually tumbles out towards me and folds down here, and it just leaves a gap about that, and I just don't like it. You know, it's you know, it is what it is. But we've got, you hear that? That's the pump for the water. So I'm assuming it works. Hopefully that tank, it looks pretty nice actually. That's it. I mean, you guys know this, although it's very, very cool and it's got everything, and it, you know, there's a part of me that this is, but I want to get down an off-road trail. It's just who I am, you know. You guys, if you can come up with a name for this thing, I will be super grateful.